Hello, this is David Shreve, Algebra 2 instructor with Florida Virtual School. We're going to be looking at adding and subtracting rational expressions here. In this example, we're going to have 3 over x plus 3 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x plus 2. And we're going to simplify that. First, we want to recognize our LCD here. It's just going to be x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. Alright, so looking at each term, I'm just going to multiply each term by whichever portion of the LCD is missing. In other words, this first part here, I'm just going to multiply by x plus 1, x plus 2. Remember, we're doing that top and bottom, so. And then the next term here we're missing, it already has the x plus 1, so we just need the x times x plus 2. And on the final term we're missing x and x plus 1. Alright, now before I distribute everything out here, I'm going to go ahead and FOIL this LCD, this portion of the LCD over here. Alright, so it's going to give us x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. Let's combine our like terms there. Going to give us x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so for the first portion here, we have 3 times, and remember it's x plus 1 times x plus 2, and I FOILed that out over here, so I'm going to be using this. Alright, now I'm not going to rewrite the LCD each time, we just know that the LCD is down here under it, of course. Plus 3x times x plus 2 over the LCD minus 3x times x plus 1. And you can see in this step here I'm just simply distributing the 3 to the x and using just 3x on the second line. Alright, so now we're ready to distribute these values, and I'm not going to write the LCD, we're just going to focus on the numerator for this. So we're going to have 3x squared, because 3 times x squared right here, and then 3 times 3x is 9x, and then 3 times 2. Alright, now we're moving on to this second term. We're going to have plus 3x times x is 3x squared. And 3x times 2 is plus 6x. This one has a subtraction sign here, so this one gets tricky. I'm going to put this in parentheses because we will need to remember to distribute that subtraction sign through the parenthesis set here. So 3x times x will have 3x squared. 3x times 1 is plus 3x. Alright, now I'm going to rewrite everything after I distribute that negative. That's a tricky part, so I like to take an entire step just to take care of that so we don't make any errors. So negative distributed to our 3x squared, and then negative is distributed to the plus 3x. We're just going to change the sign there to minus 3x. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at our like terms. We've got 3x squared terms. You can notice I have a minus and a plus here, so those are going to cancel. I've also got a 9x, a 6x, and a minus 3x. So combining those, we're going to have 9 9x plus 6x is 15x minus 3x is 12x. So bring this 3x squared down plus 12x, and then our constant is right here, just plus 6. Alright, and this is of course all over, and I'll rewrite that LCD here now. Okay. Now, if the instructions ask us to simplify completely, then we should take this GCF out of this numerator. GCF is 3. Alright, another issue with this one in particular is we need the restriction. So I take each term of the LCD, set each term equal to 0, and solve for x. Alright, so our restrictions are x cannot equal 0, -1, -2. Alright, hope this helps.